In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Twitch app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So you're trying to log into your Twitch app, but you're being told something went wrong, then most likely your Twitch app might have experienced a glitch that needs to be fixed. To do this, just follow these steps. First, go to your smartphone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Twitch by just searching. Here we have our app and this is the app info page. Go to force stop and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data, clear cache, OK, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and go to your Twitch app and it should be running without any issue. But if you still have a challenge at this point, then check and then see if you're using any VPN app or any proxy app and install it, as this might be the reason you have this challenge. You also want to ensure you have stable internet connection for this to work. But should this not work, then try using Twitch using a web browser like Chrome or any other browser that you have on your phone. And if it works, then the problem is with the app. However, if it also fails on your browser, then most likely Twitch might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes, try again until you'll be able to use your app without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.